celebrate 80 years of excellence, 8 decades of learning, growth, challenge, and triumph. Our school, proudly known as the home of the champions, has stood through generations as a place where students not only excel in academic contests and extracurricular achievements, but also develop the character, discipline, and compassion that make true champions in life. Over the years, our goals have echoed the footsteps of students who dare to dream. We have seen record-breaking performances in science fairs, outstanding victories in speech and debate competitions, championship titles in athletics, and creative achievements in arts and performance. We have celebrated scholars throughout regional and national consolidations, innovators whose projects shone brightly in competitions, and athletes who brought honor and pride to our community. We have seen students rise, time and again, to prove that excellence is not luck. It is cultivated through hard work, perseverance, and belief. None of this would have been possible without the dedication of our teachers, your children, and parents. They lead and they out, they nurture curiosity, challenge minds, inspire confidence, and instill values. They celebrate every success, comfort every setback, and believe in the potential of each student, even when the road is difficult. They teach more than lessons. They model character. They are champions of our students' dreams, guiding them patiently toward achievement. And yet today, I stand before you to remind us all that the journey of raising champions does not stop at the classroom door. Parents, you are the first teachers, the constant supporters, the champions at home. You are the ones who encourage your children to rise early to study, to try again after failure, and to be kind even when no one is watching. You shape their habits, model resilience, and reinforce the values that our school holds dear: integrity, respect, responsibility, and leadership. So, I issue this heartfelt challenge to you, not as a demand, but as a shared vision. Be champions of character at home. Encourage your children not only to aim for high grades, but to pursue learning with curiosity and joy, to treat others with respect, to lead with humility, and to serve with compassion. Be partners with our teachers. Communicate with them, support them, and reinforce the values we teach. Together, we create a community that lifts every child higher than the enterprise alone. Prepare your children for leadership in life, not just success on paper. The world does not need more test takers. It needs hopeful citizens, courageous leaders, and compassionate hearts. Let us raise children who lead by example, not for applause, but for purpose. Parents, teachers, and students alike, let this milestone year be not only a celebration of our past achievements, but a renewal of commitment to the future. Let us ensure for the next years, the home of the champions continues to stand not just as a place of award, but as a cradle of values, leaders, and lifelong learners who carry an unending passion to learn, grow, and make a difference in the world.
Honored guests, elected officials, school administration and staff, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning once again. Today, I stand on behalf of all the parents who choose Magallanes City Pilot School to be a model of their children's future. That decision, I believe, is not made randomly out of convenience or of influence maybe, but more of a careful decision making. Every parent wants the best for their children, and that includes choosing the best school for them. That is why we ended up enrolling in Pagadian City Pilot School, because we are not only blessed with its reputation, but we continue to see its achievements encompassing academics, sports, and extracurricular activities. Also, we continually hear a lot of testimonies proving that Pagadian City Pilot School is indeed the home of the champions. If not all, most parents here can resonate with me on that. This explains why we know of youths who are enrolled here in the school, even if they live from a distant barangay, and even if they live from a distant or a nearby municipality from Pagadian City. Congratulations, Pagadian City Pilot School, for the 8 decades of legacy. And thank you for upholding the culture of excellence throughout the years. Fellow parents, we heard the call. Our teachers have challenged us to go beyond academics and focus on raising leaders, not just achievers, to uphold values in our own respective homes and to partner with them in preparing our children for life, not just on paper. We accept the challenge and invite every parent and guardian to join us in this effort. Allow me to sum up this response from a verse in the book of Proverbs that says, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and discipline." Parents, let us set as an example for our children by being God-fearing, because honoring God is the prerequisite for gaining insights into life and making sound decisions. As parents, we must instill godly values to our children, because children taught in the fear of God tend to be more obedient and wise, imbued with a solid moral compass that help them to be prepared in facing life's challenges ahead. Let us equip them with wisdom, empathy, and integrity. Let us encourage them to speak up, to take risks, and make a difference. By working together, we can help our children become the leaders of tomorrow, kind, courageous, and committed to making a possible impact. Let us accept the challenge and give our children the best chance at success in life. Thank you, and once again, good